Muppet. You're on camera. Bravo Alpha 29DX brake checks me, doing a brake check. You're going to get a call from the cops. You'll get a call from the cops, you idiot. You're a nutcase. Guy's a nutcase. Got a camera. Yeah, I'm pointing to the camera. You over it yet?
That's why he moved over.
But there's people. Oh, there's no car.
Yeah, I know he is. He's trying to.
Oh my gosh. No, please. Oh my gosh, these are so kids. It's all.
Yo, roll down your window. You almost ran me off over there. You almost fucking ran me over there.
Reality, all right, compared to what we know now. So we can all sit down and say all of these things are improbable or all these other things, but yeah, guys, just live your life. If that makes any sense here, try to enjoy it while you are here. If that makes any sense here, because guys, we don't know any.
Oh, is that why he's turned off? Because he. It's a red light.
Time.
1:33.
Just pull over into the store, man. Pull over into the store, it's safer.
Who you bitches really rooting for? January to November, nigga. Oh my God, bro, what are you doing? So thirsty to put me a beat. Dissecting my words and start looking too deep. I look at the tweets and start sucking my teeth. I'm letting it rap cause I let them to sleep. I still wanna give me a song, my beat. Can't trust everything that you saw when I cheat. Just know
Evidently, I was right. Because apparently the officers that took her initial statement treated her more like a suspect instead of a victim.
I think it's possible to be both.
What does that mean?
Organ selling is a crime, Ms. Ryder. Even if it's your own.
You really think she volunteered herself to be brutalized and left alone to die in a cheap motel?